Capital One Savor app. The pros, the cons. If you love dining out, watching movies, or going to concerts, the Capital One Savor card might sound like a dream. But does it really live up to its rewards hype? Let's explore the pros and cons of the Capital One Savor app. Starting with the pros, this card is built for entertainment lovers. You earn 4% cashback on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services, 3% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. Few cards match that level of rewards for fun spending. You'll also earn a generous welcome bonus after meeting the initial spending requirement, and you'll get 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for a limited time. Another highlight is that the Savor card has no foreign transaction fees, making it great for international dining and travel. Plus, you get access to Capital One Entertainment, a platform offering exclusive pre-sale tickets and VIP experiences for concerts, sports and events. Now for the cons. The annual fee is, which means you need to spend enough in bonus categories to justify the cost. If you don't dine out often or go to events regularly, the rewards might not outweigh the fee. Also, unlike premium cards, there are no travel credits or lounge access benefits. So, is the Capital One Savor worth it? If your lifestyle includes regular dining, concerts, or nights out, absolutely it's one of the best entertainment-focused cashback cards around. But if you prefer staying in or shopping, you may get more value from a no-fee card like the Savor or Quicksilver. The surprising truth? The Savor card doesn't just reward you for spending, it rewards you for living. If your weekends are full of food, fun, and experiences, this card fits right in.